been a while. We're back on the kayak, Ningaloo Reef, fishing, squidding, general exploring, seeing what we can find. Let's get into it, everyone. First item on the agenda is some squid. I've got a couple of squid jigs here, just sort of drifting through broken ground. You can see, nice and blue. Hello. And yeah, I reckon next thing you'll see is a squid being caught. Squiddy on. And judging by how hard he's pulling, it's a good one. Flip. Pulling some string. Jeepers. Now the age-old squid question of can you land it without getting ink everywhere? The risk of him spraying everywhere. There's a squid. Been about 20 minutes, dropped like 3 squid, and it's gone a bit quiet, so I'm gonna change tactic. Squid jig off, trolling lure on. Bit of a sandy passage out through the reef. Oh, there's like 5 whales in front of me. Pretty scary, to be honest, out there in this. I feel very small. There's just spouts everywhere. Well, they're big things. Yesterday I saw like a manta ray just like free jumping out of the water. Absolutely nothing on the troll for like 30 minutes, so I'm gonna try something different. Gonna drift out of plastic while throwing a stick bait. Just feels good to change it up sometimes. Saw heaps of these things around, but I think they're all sharks. Or are they GPs? The heck were they? They were like on the surface, looked like they were like sucking something. I get less and less action. I'm sort of venturing further and further out to sea. I'm now getting close to the whale zone. I don't really like where I am at the moment. Let's get out of here. These freaking sharks still following me around, the dogs. Just cannot pull a size fish out of this water. Oh, yeah, there we go. Not huge. Little red throat, which is size, so he'll come home for dinner. A big spangle really hit me here. Oh. Yeah. More spango. There we go. It's a better fish. There we go. That's better. And there was more with him too, I tell ya. Definitely more with him. And there's monster squid there. All right, we found a zone, finally. Just had to get out towards the reef a bit more. That's what I wasn't doing. Some good stuff's happening. Is he size? I don't know. Well, he was not size, but there was lots more with him. There's also just ginormous squid over there. Looks like a red throat or something, nothing huge. Yep. I really should just catch these squid. There's so many here. Ink, 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 ink. Ink away, my friend. Ink to your heart's content. Whoa, that's a big squid. I think while I deal with him, I'll get another one. There he is. A bit of a hairy zone here. Those squids were the capsize. Oh, there's a big one following it too. Operation Do It Without Getting Inked is in session. We'll accept an underwater ink. Well, this is great fun. I'm sure you don't need to watch me catch a million squid. but I'll catch more and then I'll get back to spangos and other fish in a bit. Oh, proper spango. Proper spango. It's gonna be green. Oh yeah. It's gonna be green. Well, as I said, it was pretty green. That's how you get a hook in your leg. Goodness me, that was psycho. Straight. They hit so different. Wow. That was freaking exhilarating. I didn't film the hit, but it just took off. Oh, that's a good fish. I don't know, that just looks glorious. How good. I'm gonna try and get another one and I'll see if I can capture the hit because it's so hectic. All right, let's see if I can give you guys a bit of a taste of this. No guarantees I'll get another one, but that was just so epic, like the take. Oh gosh, definitely is what gets me out here paddling kilometers and kilometers. Hopefully that sees enough. Here we go, folks. Let's just keep turning so you guys can see. Dangerous. Very dangerous. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. That's freaking sick. Oh. Straight. Oh, he could bury me here. He could bury me. I'm not going in a good direction. I gotta get him up. Gotta get him above the coral. Oh, he's a good fish. Flip. He's gonna be green again. Oh, he's gonna be very green. Oh, it feels like I'm on the reef. Feels like I'm on the reef. Feels like, oh. Well, dang it. Oh, I can see 1,000 squid again. Oh, that was just hectic. Where are they? Felt like a Charlie caught. That definitely wasn't a squid. That is. Oh, he's off. Mate, want it? Literally, I don't know if you can see that there. Oh! No way! No, you freaking dog got me. Oh, that's so disappointing. The whole freaking everything. I mean, it's sort of funny, but also you dog. This guy right here, look at him, he's staring at me like he wants it. Oh, yeah, that's right, you got more. Ah! Hey, how much has he got in the tank? He's had about 7 squirts. Flippin' heck. Freaking catching Squirtle here. Is he rejuvenating on the go? Flippin' you dog. Trying to bite me. Ah! He's really having a go. Who do you see that? Ah, more! You're kidding me? What a sitch. It's all happening here at the MCG. Oh, there's his mate. Oh, he's just literally running straight to it. Ready? And on in 3, 2, 1. There we go! Perfect timing. All right, well, we'll resume when I'm ready to catch like fish again. Oh, mayhem. Well, moments like these, I typically like don't put sunscreen on again. I don't eat, I don't drink much. I just get so focused. So I'm sunscreening. Smashed a peanut butter sandwich. I'm gonna put the head mount on. give you guys a bit of a look at what I see. Hopefully you can catch a fish. And kids, don't eat when you've got food in your mouth. Lucky lure of choice. Fire the torpedoes. And if you might not be able to see, there's like a huge reef edge here. So I'm working. Right in the glare, sorry about that. Oh, yep. That is a flippin' great fish. It's actually pulling me back to the reef, which I don't want it to do. This is, I feel like I should just not fight him too hard. Oh, sharks. Sharks having a look. Sharks having a look. Yeah. Yeah, get in there. Get in there. Oh, Struth. Woo! You see the shark? Oh, there's one right there. Oh boy. Rack off, you dog. Oh. Woo! Well, that was pretty cool. How cool's the take? Like they just bang and Alright, well, I might need to move out of that zone. Those sharks are just dogs, but that was sick. Look at that. He's a good fish too, good size. I can get one more for my bag limit of 3. And oh, this has just been a most amazing day. Turtle down here. Just having a look. It's quite suspenseful. You know, like you have no idea when a fish is just gonna pounce on your lure. I guess that's where the addiction comes from. Oh, look at that, there's a wave coming this way from me. Where's that coming from? Oh! No, is it gonna grow? Nope. Is that wave coming this way? It must be hooking through that channel and like literally turning right. Well, good red throat. Hey, what? It's like dead, just calm, still. Oh, oh yeah, that is a good one. Oh gee, that is a really good one. He's flipping pulling my kayak. It's like he's pulling me. All right, we'll go your way then. What is this? This is a Spanger. It's a freaking horse. Ah. This old mate Sharky. Yeah, it's a good Spango. All right, here we go. Ready? Green machine, in you go. Yeah, go nuts, go nuts, go nuts, go nuts. Guys, how good's this, eh? Like I could probably stand up and I would never. I can like stand up on my kayak, it's that calm. I'm very nervous, but I did it. Mate, I'm just so thankful to be here. Thankful you could join me. Takes someone special to make all this, I tell you. Not everyone believes that, but I do. Like, just you look around, you just think, only someone could design this, and someone far greater than me. Alright. Well, that's it, everyone. Today was a big old how good. Got like another kilometre to go before I get back to the car, but thanks for tuning in. Obviously just make these videos for fun and for fellow fishermen to enjoy, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not into fishing, hopefully this has encouraged you to give it a go. I don't know what it's like everywhere in the world, but here it's a very good thing to do. So cheers everyone.